Oh, well. We meet again. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm CourtneyQuarantine, your host. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, makeup artist, and today I'm going to be talking about some makeup and doing a little makeup. I already have my eyes done, but there's a specific product that I need to use that I have a little lore with. But anyway, before we get into all that, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. And if you would like to give this video a thumbs up and comment something down below, I would also really appreciate that. You can just comment, hey bestie, hey bestie, hey bestie, hey bestie, hey. Or comment anything. You could, tell me about something that you have coming up, maybe a concert that you're going to go to coming up, or maybe a concert you're going to watch live coming up, because concerts are expensive. And if you're watching them from your couch, I'm not judging you, because my God, I want to go to Mayhem so bad. Actually, you know what? Let me not start talking about concerts. Okay. But if you are returning, hey bestie, hey, thank you so much for being here. Seriously, it really means a lot. Okay, let's get into this because I want to contour. You might already know that this is something that caught my eye. And for many reasons, it feels like, I'm revisiting an old friend or something. Yeah, I did buy it. Oh, I did buy it. Yeah, for $24. I sure did. I sure did. Look at this. Look at them meeting. Oh, this makes me laugh. If you don't know my lore with this product, I love this product, by the way. I really love this product. Milk, if you're seeing this, I want you to know I have loved this product for a very long time. And yes, the rumors are true. I still have not finished this one, but to give you a little bit of context, I opened this a long time ago. I held it in my hand. I made sure my hands were heating the component. I twisted the bottom so that the top would come off easy, and it still ripped off like half of the thing. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. It's still on my page. I still love this product. Sometimes things just break. I don't think that packaging was great. If they've tweaked it, if they've changed it since then, good, yay. If they haven't, I'm gonna be extra careful. But I wanna make that abundantly clear. Just because that happened did not mean that I did not use this absolutely to filth. So this one is very old. Duh. It has gotten a lot of love, and this is in the shade Toasted. Yes, this component is very small compared to the giant freaking bronzer sticks that they used to have. Yeah, dude. Will it also last you a pretty long time? That very much depends on how you use your contour stick, but I would wager the average human, this will take you a good while. I wear makeup every single day, and I wear makeup every single day. Now, I do have a plethora of products here, and I do like to cycle through like what I'm using, so I am not like a good reference to how quick you would go. Maybe you would go through something. You know what I'm saying? However, I actually go through products, and I want to make that a little bit more clear too, because I know that there's a lot of people who make makeup content online who use something one time, don't touch it again. The stuff that I'm using, the stuff that you're seeing, by the time this video has reached the public eye, I have gone through, I'm familiar with the formulas. It's something I'm excited about. It's something that I want to pan, that I want to empty, that I want to use the entire way. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Great. So as far as my content here, that is the only thing I can speak for. You know what I'm saying? When you're here, I hope that is abundantly clear. And if it is not, I will remind you, because I love the makeup that I use, but I want to use the makeup that I use down to the core, baby. So anyway, now that I made like 5 billion disclaimers, let's get into this. This is the shade Smolder. Ooh. This is the new contour stick from Milk Makeup, and it is the fairest shade, again in the shade Smolder. This is the unicorn. These are the sculpt sticks. Very easy to use a contour stick. Yes, dude, this is very easy to use. These are nice. All the information, the little like visual thing, which is very cute. Then obviously the shade indicator on top, you get it. I would also like to know on the bottom, it is Leaping Bunny certified and vegan. We love to see it. I'm very excited. I am very excited to use this shade, okay? Can I open it without ripping it? Dude, I freaking broke my tweezers recently, so now these are my open package tweezers. Hello? It's so cute. It is very cute. It is very cute. It looks like it might have the same mechanism. Maybe they have a little, what does that say? Twist off the developer. What does that say? Hello? Devise. I don't know. Is that French? Devise. What does it say actually? A creamy, easy to use contour stick made with a nourishing I almost said thyme. Thyme extract blend for a soft sculpted look. And I must say, I do enjoy the size, the diameter of this. So I enjoy the size of this, so it can fit right here, right in this little shadow. You see this happening right here, right my cheekbone? that's where I'm gonna put my contour. Doot, doot, doot. So this works really nice. You know what else works really nice though, if I may say? My M148 lipstick. I use this as contour almost every day now. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with using this as contour. So that kind of a vibe, that kind of a size to like just do a little whoop whoop, I really, really enjoy. I'm also gonna say too, I've gotten really obsessed with like stick products, and when they work well and perform well, oh my God, dude, really, really obsessed with them. I can see by comparing the two that this one definitely has, like Toasted definitely has more gray, just even looking at the packaging, but let me open it. This comes with 0.19 ounces or 5.7 grams. Again, those numbers typically don't mean a lot to the average consumer, even if it's something that you got familiar with using. I will kill you, Nat. Ha! That'll teach you to come in my room. Anyway, all of this to say, I'm very aware that for $24, that is not cheap. It is a very nice product. I do really enjoy this formula. If it performs just like how Toasted does, I'm gonna be stoked. But I am concerned. Twist off. Dude, I'm like freaking scared actually. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist it up. Is this a mistake? Am I already like breaking the rules? I'm gonna twist it up so that the plastic is a little bit further away from the edge. And it says twist off with little circles around it, okay? So I'm gonna do literally exactly as it says. Twist off. I'm twisting. Oh, oh, ooh. Dude, we did it. Hallelujah. Oh my God, look at the, yay, yay. Let us rejoice in song. Oh, dude. That cracks me up. So again, just to compare these side by side, Toasted is over here looking a little rough, and this is Smolder, which is very warm, but it could still work, okay? So before everyone freaks out, I'm talking to myself right now. Hey, don't freak out yet. It does look warmer. However, it still might do a really beautiful job. But just eyeballing these in the component now, you can kind of see the vibe. And because my favorite thing with these sculpt sticks is to literally just go on my face, I'm going to apply these straight up on my face. Now I know some people are going to be clutching their pearls and they're going to be like, oh my God, shouldn't you take a brush from, and then this is how I do my makeup on my face, okay? So I'm just going to literally do a little line. Oh, that's smooth. It's cute, but it's definitely warmer. Straight out the gate. It's cute, but it's definitely warmer straight out the gate. I'm going to just take this little brush and see how the blend goes. Mostly just like kind of patting, so it stays where I put it and it doesn't go too crazy. It doesn't go too far down and so on and so forth. I'm gonna give it a little bit up here. Yeah, it's pretty warm. And let me try a different brush, maybe just to see. I mean, it's definitely doing like a sculpting. You know what it kind of reminds me of? Sculpting sticks that I have that are more of like bronzing sculpting sticks. It's gonna give shape and dimension. It's not gonna give super gray, super cool. However, I still think that looks nice. Adding some over here on the top of my head. And I'm gonna contour my nose. There's a scent. It smells like if Play-Doh was like organic and clean and a little bit healthy and like a little bit down on the scent. I don't feel it. Maybe I can smell the, I almost said thyme again. Maybe I can smell the thyme. Well, actually, now that I'm literally smelling it on my nose, because it's like right by my nose, it smells familiar. It smells cozy in a way. But the actual stick, what's happening with the scent there? Again, it's not strong, but it's there. I contour my nose in a way that I just kind of like go around it. I could bring it up and like into my brow, but I don't really feel like doing that. Let me add just a little bit more over here too, a little bit higher, because I don't want to go any lower, but just like almost like a bronzer-esque. Okay, yeah, I actually really like this brush so much better when blending it out. This one, this like House Labs dual in one. Oh my God, it's so nice. That looks like a freaking bronzer on me though. It's, okay, hold on. It's giving sculpted, and obviously they wouldn't do like the same shade of Toasted, but I think a lot of us are just kind of wanting just like a gray, and I just don't know if, I don't know if like that's something that Milk would do. I mean, is it Milk? Would you, if you see this? Let me know. This really is blending out so nice though, and I'm happy to see that this is like very similar to the other formula. Of course, with it being in the same line, like obviously you would think that, but dude, sometimes I try products that are in the same line and I'm like, why does this, it's so different? Obviously with pigments and like there's reasons behind it, but sometimes I'm like, come on, how come you didn't even make this close to the other ones? Okay. So I can see where this is at right now. It's very cute. It's pretty. I honestly think, for me personally, I would couple up Smolder and Toasted together. Those two, bada bing, bada boom, mwah, mwah. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna wear it like that. I'm gonna try a little bit of toasted underneath this. Again, this is old. I know, I don't care. So I'm just gonna take this like right here. It is not as smooth. It is not as smooth as the other one. It is drying up. But I just want a little right there. And I think that would be a wonderful combination. Now, if you wanted one or the other, or if you're using this as like a shopping guide or something, those decisions are gonna be up to you, bestie. Do you need both? Again, not up for me to decide. You don't need any of these. That looks really good though. Wow, that looks so good. That looks so, like I can see, it's just emphasizing the shadow that would already be there and chiseling it a little bit more. Do you know what I mean? Yes, you know what I mean. I like these two together. I'm obsessed with these two together already. I'll tell you that much. This is handy, convenient, and gonna be easy to travel with. Ooh, okay, moving right along. I'm gonna add a little bit of this blush. This is the About Face Cheek Clapper in, nope. Hello? This is the Cheek Freak in the shade Raunchy. And I love this blush. I lost it for a while. Girl, I don't even know where this went. She took a little vacation. She took a little trip. That's maybe a bit much. That like right here. Just like the littlest bit. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I love that. Little bit over here. Yeah. That's cute. On the nose. Oh, hello. Yeah. In the usual places. Yeah. Cute, cute, cute. At this point, I'm just gonna set everything and kind of wrap everything up because I really want to focus on the complexion today, but I have some thoughts already, as you could probably imagine. I also really want to know if you have a favorite contour product, let me know in the comments because I love contour. I love contour so much. I killed your friend and I'll kill you too. Nat! Girl, what is going on with my eyebrows? Yeah, this is the final look. I am obsessed with how this looks. Can I also just a moment for the hair? Yes, the tips of my hair are black / they just look like smoky kind of purple. So the tips of my bangs, the tips of my hair, which is all the way down here, and I got a blowout. So shout out to Overtone for literally treating me like a little princessa. I went to an event and it was so cute, and shout out to Christina for inviting me. Okay, anyway, I know I talked about that a lot, but my hair looks so good and I can't deny. I feel so much hotter. Dude, when I get my hair blown out, it's happened twice. It's happened twice in this way where like I walk out of there and suddenly I'm 10 inches taller, which makes me very tall. I'm damn near 7 foot. So anyway, I just wanted to take a second because like literally my hair looks so good. That's it. That's literally, I just want to talk about it. There's like one little spot up here that's a little bit higher, but that's because this is shorter right here. Do you see? I'm into it. Oh my God, wait, do I add lower lash mascara? Yeah, hold on. Okay, yeah, that's better. Another moment for the hair. Yeah. No, I'll never get sick of it. The black and everything will wash out really quickly, but just having like the tips of my bangs be dark is kind of cute. I love this look. I'm really feeling it. I'm wearing the Robert Welsh Blend Bunny palette, by the way, and God, I love that palette so much. Let me give you my final thoughts on the contour stick, sculpt stick situation. So I love how this looks right now. I think it looks really nice on my face. I think it blended really well. I love the ease of use of this product so very much. I also want to say I think one of the biggest pros is that packaging, the mechanism to open it, is different from the time when I tried it the last, which again was a long time ago. No breakage, no nothing weird. Mwah! Beautiful. I did go ahead and swatch Toasted and Smolder side by side on my hand, and I think my kind of like core thought behind this is that I like them together. Do I wish that there was a more like gray and just like a literal line of grays of this? Yes. Do I think that I cannot find that or make that somehow myself in the world? No, I think that I could. These gray products are out there. I could even just add like a gray cream clay to this one to make it more gray. I could concoct something up myself. Now, is it a little bit more of a tedious step? Sure. But what I want to say is that these are, again, not cheap. They are not trying to be. Toasted has traveled with me so many places. It is very durable. The packaging has held up so well. And again, I have had it for a very long time and I still haven't reached the bottom, which is kind of crazy when you think about it, but I do have a lot of contour, specifically very cool contour ones that I obsess over and that I go through a lot of. But anyway, these are the two side by side on my hand. And as I like to say every single time, these are going to look different on you than they're going to look on me just because of undertones, so on and so forth. Smolder is on the bottom right here, and then Toasted is on the top, just to give you like a little bit of another visual. I enjoy these. I enjoy how much this one just like quickly slides on, smooths out, blends out It's so nice. This one, again, is a little bit older, and I don't know if the formula has changed, but this one has a little bit more drag to it. Like, I don't know, I found that this one was more glidey. So I really do enjoy Smolder, and I enjoy the tone of Toasted. And again, even if I want to add just a tiny little touch of like gray, I can do that amongst my collection. So anywho, I hope that that is like at least a little bit helpful or just a little bit more of an insight to kind of my thoughts behind this. You of course will have your own, but I did really want to try this sculpt stick so very badly. I do think the price is high, but for things like this that I would potentially use daily and make my traveling and or on the go type of makeup easier with a formula that I like, with a company that I feel like I enjoy a lot of their products, that's kind of what I went into this thinking about. Okay, I'm gonna tell you right now, I really like stick products, specifically ones that have a very long wear to them, and I really enjoyed using this. So I already feel very comfortable with it. I do think this was part of a shade extension. So Smolder is fair, and then the other shade is called Flicker, and it's tan. But let me know your thoughts. I would love to chat about this. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here, giving this video a like, a thumbs up, and commenting something down below. And as always, thanks for being here, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Doodum da doo da doo doodum doo 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 doodum doo 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 doo. Yeah. Oh my God, I love my hair.